Hey guys, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2024. We're here in the Mega Booth in Cleveland, and I'm here with Rick from Quantum Design, and you have a really fascinating AFM tool. Can you tell us about it?
Yes, hi Eric. Good to see you again this year at M&M. Like and subscribe to Eric's channel and hit the notification bell for updates from Eric. He's got a great channel with a lot of good information. So Quantum Design, we're a lab-ready instrumentation company. We're famous for our MPMS3 squid magnetometer, our physical property measurement system, and our optical access system. These are all low-temperature instruments. Last M&M meeting 2023, we introduced the Fusionscope to this community. It's a correlative microscope system that combines AFM and SEM measurements capabilities on the system.
Yeah.
This was designed.
So it's not a system. It's not an AFM that goes into an SEM. It's an AFM with an SEM attached to it.
You got it. It's an integrated instrument, right? So this instrument, we designed it from the ground up, built by a team in San Diego and our microscopy office in Germany. So we came up with this concept of combining these two techniques, and built-in instrument plugs into standard wall power, and people can put it in the corner of the lab. We've had a few people buy these instruments, and they're using it to quickly characterize, understand their samples and measurement capabilities on the sample.
So you have sales, you have them in the field, they're working right now, right?
That's correct. Yep, we have people using them, yes. New things on the product, we introduced EDS, so we're introducing that at the show. So another layer in this correlative microscopy world, so you can do elemental analysis. So that will be available on these instruments, and it's upgradable. So this will be available in fall 2024. Second thing we did was a new force mode. So the nice thing about the Fusionscope is you can see and locate elements of your sample. So if you have a nanoparticle, a nanostructure, a nanopillar, you can position the tip on top of that pillar and then do a force measurement. So you can do a force applied and a force retraction measurement on that. So that's a new capability we add in the Fusionscope's tilting stage, lets you see the sample and see where you're precisely locating the tip. And then the third thing is we've worked with Kleindienst to add nano positioners, nano manipulators, nano measurement systems. So we built a platform to hold these nano manipulators in the system so people can do characterization measurements on the system. So this is something they might have a particle they might want to manipulate. They might want to twist some pieces of graphene on the sample to make those types of samples. So that's the newest addition to the Fusionscope system.
Well, that's a really fascinating instrument. I think it looks very cool. It's very small. Yeah, it'll fit anywhere. So if somebody's interested in learning more about this system, how do they find you?
Visit us at qdusa.com or visit us at fusionscope.com.
Okay. Well, thanks a lot, Rick.
Good to see you, Eric.
We'll talk to you again next year probably with something new and cool.
You got it.
Okay, we got more coming up. Thanks.